Hello, I'm Tolga Aramaz, the Director of Learn Trade Skills. Are you an existing electrician but have no formal qualifications? Well, this Fast Track 2365 package is perfect for you. This combined package recognizes your hands-on experience and accelerates your journey to full qualification by integrating the Level 2 and Level 3 diplomas into a streamlined program. You'll receive an accelerated learning program tailored for experienced operatives, essential theoretical knowledge to complement your skills, formal validation of your practical experience, and recognized qualifications to enhance your professional profile. The curriculum focuses on bridging any knowledge gaps in foundational concepts, enhancing understanding of advanced topics relevant to current industry practices, and ensuring compliance with latest regulations and standards. This course will last 24 weeks, which is 12 weeks per level, and it will be 1 day a week in-center training accompanied by online study materials to help you balance your work commitments and gain your qualifications at the same time. By enrolling in this combined package, you will save time by fast-tracking your qualifications. You'll also reduce costs compared to taking each level separately, enhance your career prospects with recognized qualifications, and be well prepared for your NVQ Level 3 and ECS Gold Card. Our training center features modern classrooms with the latest facilities, fully equipped workshops simulating real-world environments, and access to tools and equipment used in the industry. Once you complete your package, your next step will be to complete your NVQ Level 3 on-site portfolio, after which you will do your AM2 assessment, and then you'll be eligible to apply for an ECS Gold Card.
My name is Patrick. I would say definitely come to Learn Trade Skills because there's not many other centres which provide this complete experience, and it's good, really good teaching, so yeah, good option.
Hi, my name's Serhat. Online self-study portions for me personally were very helpful, reason being, as much as I did learn in the class, sometimes when I went home I needed to go through certain things, so it allowed me to find certain topics which I wasn't good at and go through them on work. When I used to go on Google, as example, or YouTube and try to search up some of the answers, it would either give me a very broad or very brief information about the topics which I needed help for, whereas this gave me all the information and I could pick certain topics and go from there.
We offer experienced instructors, flexible studying options, small class sizes, and modern facilities with supporting learning environments. Are you ready to take your first steps in becoming a fully qualified electrician? Just go ahead and complete the form on this page to get further information. Our team will reach out to you with all the details you need to take the next steps. It's quick and easy, just details.